Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy CV with another reaction video. Let's get right into it, and I need to explain myself really quick. I have a friend who lives in Argentina, so she's half Argentina and half Spain. So I asked her what song you think somebody should listen to at least once before they die, and I said Argentina. So she decided to pick the artist from Spain, and I thought she was picking from Argentina. So the artist was his name is David. Ave Maria was the song, so I was wrong. Actually, he kind of fooled me a little bit in a weird way. I'm blaming her. It's my fault. Anyways, he told me I should listen to this dude or this girl because I asked her for two songs, and this one is Trueno. I think it's Trueno. And I hope this dude or this girl is from Argentina, because I wanted some Argentinian artists, because I don't know any Argentinian artists. The only person I know from Argentina is two people, and one of them is Messi. But this one is Trueno. Tranky Funky. I don't even know who this person is. Never heard of the song. Let's do it, man. Let's get this 100 likes. We can't appreciate you guys, man. Let's do it. I don't know. Is it him?
Si los guachos piden rap, entonces, yeah, vamos again, back to the game. Los guachos saben quién pide rap, le digo ten, yeah, y por la ven, Tana no me ven, porque soy el que maneja el fucking tren del tren, I got it, what do you need, I got it. No se me compare y pare, que acá ya somos pares, cruzando.
What do you need? I got it. What kind of product? Excuse me, sir? Okay.
Yeah, vamos again, back to the game. Los guachos saben quién pide rap, le digo ten, yeah, y por la ven, Tana no me ven, porque soy el que maneja el fucking tren del tren, I got it, what do you need, I got it. No se me compare y pare, que acá ya somos pares, cruzando los mares, llegando a los lugares, desde Argentina para el mundo, que el party no pare. Tanto flow que me piden basta, soy la luz pa' mi barrio, gangsta, un gran flash basta, y si no hay más pasta, muevo todos los ritmos como si fuese un hustler. Tanto flow que me piden basta, soy la luz para mi barrio, gangsta, un gran flash basta, y si no hay más pasta, muevo todos los ritmos. Soy la luz para mi barrio, gangsta, un gran flash basta, y si no hay más pasta, piden basta. Soy la luz para mi barrio, gangsta, un gran flash basta, y si no hay más pasta, muevo todos los ritmos como si fuese un.
I don't know what he was saying right there, but the flow was hard, man. The basta, gangsta, something basta, like. Hold on.
Que me piden basta, soy la luz para mi barrio, gangsta, un gran flash basta, y si no hay más.
Grand Flash? What's Grand Flash?
Más pasta, muevo todos los ritmos como si fuese un.
That was nice, though.
Somos la luz que no se apaga, solamente si estás tú. Demos una vuelta en el hood, vamos a mezclarnos dentro de la multitud. Tranky, funky, whoop de whoop. Me siento ODB, smoking Brooklyn Zoo. Hey yo, tranky, funky.
Hey, listen, man. When a guy shouts out ODB Brooklyn Zoo, you gotta love the guy. This guy seems like he's a young dude, but if he's giving ODB shout outs, Brooklyn Zoo? Come on, man. Wu-Tang in the house. Let's go. Hey, Trueno. Shout out to you, brother. Yeah.
Tranky, funky, whoop de whoop. Me siento ODB, smoking Brooklyn Zoo. Hey yo, tranky, funky, whoop de whoop. Le vamos a dar la vuelta al mundo, todo va por mi crew. Hey yo, tranky, funky. Soy un shock once in your head como Mob Deep. Tranky, funky.
Come on, man. Trueno, I think that's his name. Trueno, you gotta stop this, man. Stop giving shout outs to my favorites, man. Actually, don't stop.
Funky. Soy un shock once in your head como Mob Deep. Tranky, funky,
Mob Deep.
whoop. Y ni siquiera me lo pienso, cuestión de actitud. Yo tengo tanto flow que me piden basta. Soy la luz pa' mi barrio, gangsta, un gran flash master. Y si no hay más pasta, muevo todos los ritmos como si fuese un, yeah. Mami, somos la luz que no se apaga solamente si estás tú. Demos una vuelta en el hood. Vamos a mezclarnos dentro de la multitud. Mami, somos la luz que no se apaga solamente si estás tú. Demos una vuelta en el hood. Vamos a mezclarnos dentro de la multitud. Demos una vuelta en el hood. Vamos a mezclarnos dentro de la multitud.
Did he say something about the McDonald's dollar menu or dollar value? Did he just say McDonald's dollar menu?
Vamos a mezclarnos dentro de la multitud.
Hustler. Hey man, that's the first time I heard this dude. I like his vibe. The fact that he can rap and sing and give shout outs to ODB, Brooklyn Zoo. Come on, man. You cannot hate on that. His voice sounds pretty good. I don't really understand too much what he was saying. I understand some words, but the song was good. The beat's fire. I like his vibe. You know, I like the whole rap, and also he can sing. And he's also throwing some names in there of current, like, you know, some hip hop artists that I actually like. I like that a lot, man. And I like that blue that he's wearing, man, representing Argentina. I don't know. Argentina got to have their own, like, blue. That's not sky blue, baby blue, deep water blue. No, that's got to be Argentina blue. They need to trademark that. That blue is known worldwide. So, and it's Argentina. That maybe that's just me. By the way, speaking of Argentina, you know what I've been doing? Hold on, I'll be right back. I did say that I know Messi from Argentina. The other person was obviously Maradona because I love football. Come on, man. Don't sleep on my mate. I have my mate every morning, man. I love my mate. So Argentina, you know I got love for you. It ain't fake. I've been on the mate, okay? I've been on the mate. So I guess that's three things I know about Argentina. Maradona, Messi, and mate. You know, so I got a friend who lives in Argentina, but she gave me the wrong information, so I don't like her right now. But maybe we'll do some more of Trueno or Trueno. Trueno? If there's more songs, put in the comment section below. We'll react to it, man. I like his style. He seems like a young dude. I like the singing, the rapping, but the shout outs to the old school hip hop. I love that, man. I want to listen to another one, and we'll go from there. Keep your head up as always. Love y'all. Till next time. Peace.